Hi, this is Liz from Create Access. This video will show you how to import 3D models into a Fortnite island using the Unreal Editor for Fortnite, or UEFN. UEFN was released in March of 2023 to bring the power of the Unreal Engine 3D creation tool to Fortnite creators. Users of UEFN can create custom Fortnite islands using 3D assets they create themselves, or by accessing the extensive asset libraries available through UEFN. UEFN is available for free via download through the Epic Games Store. Note that you must download both Fortnite and UEFN in order to use UEFN. To begin creating your own Fortnite island, launch UEFN through the Epic Games Launcher. Upon launch, your project browser should pop up. This is where you can access all projects you've created and begin new projects. To begin a new project, click on Island Templates. You can choose to start a project from scratch using the blank template, which means you will need to add all landscaping and other features yourself. Alternatively, you can choose to use one of Epic's populated island templates to get you started with an island that already has some features in place and that you can add to. I'm going to choose a blank template for now by clicking on the Blank Template button. At the bottom of the screen, you can name your project and choose a location on your computer where it will be saved. Once done, click the blue Create button to create your island. Your island will then be saved under the My Projects tab so you can access it later. Once on your island, you can begin using UEFN's robust creation tools to add features to it. The content drawer, accessible on the lower left side of your screen, allows you to access a library of 3D assets from Epic Games that can be added to your island. You can browse these by clicking the Fortnite and Epic subfolders of the content drawer and exploring the contents of each. You can also use the search bar to search for specific assets you'd like to add to your island. To add one of these 3D models to your island, you can simply click it and drag it into the location of your choice. You can also use the content drawer to import a collection of your own 3D models that you'd like to add to your island. It's a good idea to keep your models organized from the start, so you may want to create subfolders within your project's content folder where you can save your models. Right-click on your project's content folder and select New Folder. Name your folder as you wish. I'll name my folder Model Imports. To import a model into UEFN, make sure you know where it is saved on your computer. To start, it may be easiest to import models as GLTF GLB files. In your content drawer, click on the folder where you'd like to save your model, and then click Import. This will allow you to browse the location where your model is saved on your computer and select it. Find your model and then click the blue Import button. The default import settings should work fine for most purposes. If your import is successful, you should see several new items pop up in your content drawer, including materials, textures, and meshes. The static mesh should provide you with your complete model. Click and drag the model onto your island in the location of your choice. You may want to change the position, orientation, and size of your model. You can do this easily using the Translate, Rotate, and Scale features in UEFN. Translate allows you to change the location of your model on your island. To use Translate, make sure you are in selection mode in the menu at the top left of your screen. Select your model with your mouse and click the Translate icon in the toolbar in the right center of your screen. You will see a tool appear near the center of your model that allows you to move your model along the X, Y, and Z axes. Make sure you click on the arrows in the tool to move your model, rather than clicking on the model itself. You may also wish to change your model's orientation in space. You can see that my robot model appeared sideways when I imported it into my island, so I'd like to rotate it so it appears upright. Making sure I'm in selection mode, I'll select my robot model and then select the Rotate tool from the toolbar in the right center of the screen. A tool appears that will allow me to rotate my model along the X, Y, and Z axes. You may also wish to change the scale of your model or its size relative to other objects on your island. To do this, again be sure you're in selection mode and select your model. Use the Scale tool in the right center toolbar to adjust the size of your model. In order to maintain your model's proportions, use the white cube in the center of the tool to adjust the scale by clicking it and dragging with your mouse. If you'd like to change the proportions of your model, you can use the tool to stretch or shrink the model along the X, Y, or Z axes. If you'd like to change the material on your model's surface, you can do this by searching for materials in the content drawer and clicking and dragging the material you wish to use. For example, I can apply a granite material on top of my model by searching for granite and clicking and dragging the granite material onto my model. In addition to allowing you to import custom models and access assets through the Epic and Fortnite libraries, UEFN allows users to access the new Fab Marketplace, which gives digital content creators a single location to share, buy, and sell digital assets. While some assets available through Fab cost money, there are many assets that are completely free and easy to add to your Fortnite island. To add an asset from Fab to your island, click the Fab icon at the top of your screen in UEFN. Browse the marketplace and apply any filters you wish to refine your search. I'm going to filter so that I only see assets that are available for free. You can further refine your search by entering a search term into the box at the top of the screen, or you can simply explore the library. Once you find something you'd like to add to your island, click on it, and then click Add to Content Browser on the resulting screen. From here, you can keep adding assets from Fab into your content browser, or you can close the marketplace to return to your island. Back in your content drawer, you should see the models from Fab in an auto-created referenced content folder. You can use the same Translate, Rotate, and Scale tools you used earlier to adjust the model's position, orientation, and size. UEFN has countless other robust functions that allow you to create unique Fortnite islands, including the ability to landscape your island, animate your models, add hitboxes, and many more. Check out the many tutorials and resources available through Epic Games to learn more about the possibilities with UEFN, and have fun experimenting with the different ways you can use it to build the world around you in 3D. Thanks for watching.